We were moving to the middle of the country here, and the whole time my agent was able to work with Tabor, and Tabor was able to communicate with me, and it was extremely helpful customer service. My name is Keith Allen Cook Jr., and I currently live in Park Place Heights. We chose Mustang overall because of the schools and having a move-in ready home in this area. It's so close to the outlets. It's right down the road from the highway. It's the perfect, just quiet area at the same time. It's nice, it's simple. I come from busy. This is exactly what me and my family needed. From anywhere in my house, I can get a hold of my kids. My floor plan that I have is really nice. It's like a loop. My master bedroom goes to my bathroom goes to my closet goes straight into the laundry room. So that's one of my favorite features is in the mornings when I don't want to wake the rest of my family up going through the kitchen and the living room and everything, I can go straight to the garage. It's stress-free for me because knowing that if there's an issue right now, I just put it in and it gets handled. It's really easy. We had a leak in the sprinkler system. We were having water going into our yard. They called out the company, and that company came and fixed it the next day. It was really convenient. Some of my coworkers have been looking at building, you know, like custom homes. When I show them what I got with Tabor at a fraction of the price of they're looking at spending, they kind of open their eyes and realize that they can still get all the nice features that they were trying to get in their completely like ridiculous custom home. I think that's one of the things that I didn't think about at the time, whether I would really enjoy a new home like I do, and because of Tabor and the experiences I've had, I really do enjoy it.